Hello everyone and welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever just need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel. Mel, are you ready for today's project?
I am so ready, but wait, before we begin, Carr, we need to get permission from our parents or an adult to do this activity.
Mel is correct, especially for this activity because we're going to be using some very hot water.
Ooh,
okay,
hot water.
So I'll make sure that you definitely get adult supervision and especially parental permission before attempting this activity. Okay. So in addition to our hot water, we are going to need a vase with some room temperature or even some cool water. We've got a little jar. It's important to make sure that this little jar will fit inside of our vase. When we're ready for it, we need a funnel.
A funnel, I got that.
Mel's got our funnel, and we'll need some food coloring.
I got that too.
What color are we using today, Mel?
We're using red.
We're going to use red because this is going to be an Undersea Fountain. The other thing I've got, just in case, is some paper towels to clean up any spills. And I've got a few of these little hex nuts, and these are just to help weight down our little bottle here. So I'm going to start putting these in there. It's just to give, again, this bottle a little bit of weight because we want this guy to sink to the bottom. Okay? Mel, go ahead and put maybe 1 or 2 drops of that red food coloring.
Of this? Okay.
Yep. In our jar.
1 or 2 drops.
Yep.
1, 2.
And 2. I think that will
good.
be just fine.
Okay.
Okay, now Mel, if you hold our funnel,
Okay.
I'm going to put some hot water into our small jar.
Hot water. Be careful, guys.
Yep, this is why we need permission. Okay. Oh, I made it a little full, but that's okay. So I think we're good. You can remove our funnel. And I'm going to take this guy, make sure it's not too hot. Now, I've never done this activity, so we're going to see what happens when I take this jar and I'm going to drop it down into our cool water.
It sank to the bottom.
The jar went all the way to the bottom. What's happening to our color, Mel?
It is actually going to the top.
It's going to the top.
You see that?
So why do you think that all that color goes to the top?
Not sure.
The water in there was cold.
It is.
In the big vase, and the
is.
water in the little jar
Right.
was warm. So warm water rises?
Sounds like something that would
That
happen.
sounds about right. Now imagine if we had a really, really tall vase and you could see all of those colors going to the top, all that red color. Anyway, that's what we think. What do you guys think? Leave us a comment below, and we'd also like to hear your suggestions and your ideas. And who knows, maybe we'll do one of your ideas right here on Hands on Science. We want to thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this activity, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. We'll see you next time right here where we're always looking for something to do. Bye, guys.